Welcome to my channel Murthy Sahiti EduTech. Use of some prepositions. In and yet. Where in is used and where yet is used for places. In is used for countries, metropolitan cities, large towns, districts, states. We can use in. And yet is used for places, particular places, and small towns, small villages, and addresses, and particular towns and particular places. We can use yet. Here, the example. She is dash Delhi. In Delhi, it is a metropolitan city. She lives dash Tadepulgadam dash AP. She lives at Tadepulgadam in AP. It is a small town and it is a state. That's why before small town we have to use yet, and before state we have to use in. And we shall meet Raju dash the club. At the club. It is a particular place. At the club. So we have to use in and yet for place like this. In, yet, to, into. In, yet are used the things which are in rest, and to and into are the things which are in motion. Let us see the examples. In and yet are used in speaking of things at rest. To and into are used in speaking of things at motion. Motion means movement. So for example, he is dash bed. In bed. So he is in rest. Next one is, he is dash the top of the class. At the top of the class. In the list, his name is written at the top. Next one, he ran dash the school. To the school. There is a movement. He jumped dash the river. Into the river. Here is also you can find movement. So, in and yet are used in speaking of things at rest, and to, into are speaking of things at motion. The next pair is on and upon. On is used in speaking of things at rest. Upon is used in speaking of things at motion. For example, he sat dash a chair. He sat dash a chair. On a chair. Speaking of things at rest. The cat jumped dash the table. Upon the table. Speaking of things at motion. The next pair is till, comma, to. Till, to. Till denotes time and to denotes place. Here he slept till 9 o'clock. Denotes time. And he walked dash the end of the street. It movement. It denotes place. So to the end of the street. So I am repeating. Till refers time and to refers and used of place. So he slept till 9 o'clock. Till or until both are the same. He slept till 9 o'clock and he walked to the end of the street. Next pair is with and by. Let us look at the board. With often denotes instrument of action, instrument, and by always working as the agent. And here we have to observe, with is denotes instrument and by the agent. He killed 2 birds dash 1 shot, with 1 shot. And he was killed dash an axe dash his servant. Here axe is an instrument. So we have to use here with. He was killed with an axe. Servant is an agent here. So, by his servant. He was killed with an axe by his servant. And third example, the land was plowed, dash the farmer, dash a tractor. Here, by the farmer, by is an agent. And with a tractor is an instrument. So, with and by, with denotes instrument and by the agent. With often denotes instrument and by the agent. And the next one, since or for. So we have already known what is since and what is for. Since denotes point of time, particular time, time of a date or a day, the name of a day, the name of month and the name of year, and days, dates, years and a particular time we can mention in since. And for is used for period of time. Period means 2 minutes, 3 hours, 4 weeks, 5 months, 6 years, like that. There is no particular time in it. So, but there is some time that is called period, certain period. So, he has been absent. Dash Monday last. Monday is a particular time. It is point of time. Use since. He has been absent since Monday last. And I have been waiting here. And I have been waiting here. Dash 2 hours. 2 hours. It is a period of time. So I have to mention for. Here for. So since denotes point of time, for denotes period of time.